the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.